How to verify your X account and age. The steps are different for adding your date of birth and getting X Premium verification, so let's go through both. First, open the X app on your phone. Tap your profile icon in the top left corner. Tap Profile. To add or update your age, tap Edit Profile. Tap Date of Birth. The date of birth page will open. Tap your current date of birth. Then tap Edit. Enter your correct date of birth. Tap Continue. Tap Save in the top right corner. Tap Confirm to save your changes. If you want the verified badge, go back to your home page. Tap the profile icon again. Now tap Premium. Choose the premium plan you want. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete your subscription and verification. Keep in mind that X Premium verification requirements, pricing, and available options may differ depending on your country, account, and app version. And that's how you can verify your age and get verified on X. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and I'll see you in the next.